Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the best investing channel on YouTube. I am your host Carter, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about stocks that will benefit from reopening in the economy. Now, at the end of the day, we all care about this. We all care about money. So it's all about doing your own research before you guys invest. I'm just going to be giving you guys my opinion on really the top 3 stocks that I see value in. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And overall, I hope you guys get something of value out of this video, because that's the main idea with the video, with the channel. And if you guys want to learn more about investing in the market, check out my course, and you guys can use promo code DIVIDENDS to get 50% off. So at least check it out. First link down below. So starting off with stock number 1 is ticker symbol LYV, also known as Live Nation Entertainment. So you might be asking, well, Carter, how will this company benefit from the economy reopening up, right? Well, this company is a ticket provider, so it's very similar to like a Ticketmaster. I believe they actually own part of Ticketmaster. You guys can see that this stock got absolutely slammed last year in March, went from around $77 all the way down to $21, and has slowly been working its way up, hitting highs here at $94, which is an overall resistance for this stock, right? So now, anytime this stock comes up to 94, it's going to have a little bit of a harder time. But overall support here is right around this 90 moving average line. It's very hard to see, but it's this purple line here. You guys can see that it's hit it multiple times, and we've gotten buying pressure every single time there. So that is where I would classify this as support. With it being 91, you could say it's a little bit off its highs, but I think a good strategy for this, dollar cost average this thing all day long. And with the economy starting to open up, people are going to be traveling more, purchasing more tickets. Arenas are going to be opening up, and Live Nation is going to be back at it. I'm super excited about this one. It's under $100, and it's honestly one of the better options out there. Not to mention Mark Cuban owns a ton of shares of this company, so it's like you're investing like Mark, right? So starting off with stock number 2 is the one and only Disney. Now, the thing about Disney is Disney actually performed really well during the lockdown, right? You guys can see the stock was trading for about 150, sold off down to 80, but then hit highs here at 200. Well, how did it hit highs that high? Well, Disney Plus. Disney is more than just the parks, right? Even though they make billions of dollars from the parks, they actually outweighed their loss with the overall growth of Disney Plus. So with this stock being, right now $178, this is pretty solid off its high. So it's definitely buying this stock right on a discount, because you're pretty much buying it 10% off the high. So you could pretty much either dollar cost average it or do one lump sum, because you're 10% off the highs. Now, not to mention, once the economy starts opening up again, Disney's going to be back just like it was in 2019, plus the overall growth of Disney Plus. So I'm super excited to see where this company goes in the next 2 to 5 years. I think that this stock will easily be well over 200, probably in the 240 to 250 range within the next 2 to 5 years or so. So now the last stock that I want to talk about is another phenomenal stock. It's one of my favorites. It's ticker symbol ABNB here. So what is this stock? This is Airbnb. Now, a lot of people think Airbnb is overvalued, right? Well, it could be, right, just because of the evaluation. But the thing that I love is it's on a support line, guys. You guys can see when this stock hit this 130 mark, we got a lot of buying pressure. So with it curling down, okay, it hit that support and started curling back up again. So there's definitely room from around 145 to at least 160 for sure in the short term. Not to mention, Airbnb is profitable. They make a ton of money. They have extremely high margins. They're worth more than a ton of hotels, because Airbnb in general is a better option. It's cheaper. It's a huge competitor with all the hotels and all the other, travel travel. I can't think of, hotels, whatever. It's phenomenal. I think with the overall reopening of the economy, I think we're going to see a huge growth of Airbnb because a lot of, super popular states like Florida, California, all of those states are still kind of in a little bit of a lockdown. I think when those start to open up, Airbnb is going to make a ton of money and overall keep killing it. Not to mention their revenue grew last year during the lockdown over 100%. So I can't imagine what it's going to be in 2021 and in 2022. I think it's going to be off the charts. But for me, I'm just dollar cost averaging this one, and every time this thing falls more than 10%, I'm doubling what I normally put in. So you guys can see that off the highs, this one is right around 35%. So it's definitely buying on a discount, but it could have been a little bit overvalued, but this is just another phenomenal investment. So these are the top 3 stocks to buy for the economy opening back up. I'm super excited for all of these, and I'm heavily invested in all of them and up quite a bit on most of them other than Airbnb here, up a little bit because I did buy on the little dip down in here. But other than that, I'm super excited to see where all these go. But overall, we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, guys, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care, everyone.